In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Novo online banking password. We all know that remembering every password can be a bit of a challenge, but don't worry, resetting your Novo online banking password is a straightforward process. Let me guide you through it step by step so that you can regain access to your account smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Novo login page. This is where you usually enter your login details to access your banking information. But today, instead of signing in, you'll want to look for the Forgot Your Password link. It's typically located below the usual login fields. Click on that link. Once you've clicked on the Forgot Your Password link, you'll be prompted to enter the email address that you used when setting up your Novo account. This is important because Novo needs to verify that it's really you who is requesting the password change. So carefully type in your email address in the provided field. After you've entered the correct email address, click the Submit button. This action will send a password reset link directly to your inbox. Now, it's time to check your email. Head over to your email account and look for a new message from Novo. It might take a couple of minutes for the email to arrive. If you don't see it right away, don't panic. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes these reset emails can end up there by accident. Once you locate the email from Novo, open it and click on the password reset link included in the message. This link will direct you to a secure page where you can create a new password. When creating this new password, remember to choose a strong, unique combination that you haven't used before. Ideally, it should include a mix of letters, numbers, and special symbols to enhance its security. After you've successfully created your new password and confirmed it, you'll want to return to the Novo login page. Enter your email address along with the new password you've just set and log in to ensure that the change has been applied correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Novo online banking password. Remember to store this new password somewhere safe, or better yet, consider using a password manager to keep track of it for you. Resetting passwords may seem like a small task, but it's an essential part of keeping your financial information secure. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any other questions regarding your Novo account. Have a great day!